Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and easy recipe for teriyaki meatball with rice stir fry served with broccoli. This recipe is perfect for a quick and easy weeknight meal that will satisfy your taste buds. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 1 package of frozen meatballs, about 12 to 16 pieces, 1 cup of white rice, 2 cups of water, 1 head of broccoli chopped into florets, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1/4 cup of water. To start, cook your rice according to the package instructions in a pot of boiling water. Once cooked, fluff with a fork and set aside. In a large pan or a wok, heat up the olive oil over medium heat. Add in the minced garlic and cook until fragrant, about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add in the broccoli florets and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender but still slightly crisp. Remove the broccoli from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add the frozen meatballs and cook until they are heated through, about 8 to 10 minutes. While the meatballs are cooking, make the teriyaki sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, honey, brown sugar, cornstarch, and water until well combined. Once the meatballs are cooked through, pour the teriyaki sauce over the meatballs and stir until the sauce is evenly distributed. Allow the sauce to thicken for a minute or two. To serve, place a portion of rice on a plate topped with the teriyaki meatballs and the cooked broccoli florets. Drizzle some of the remaining teriyaki sauce over the top and garnish with sesame seeds or green onions if desired. Serve hot and enjoy your delicious teriyaki meatball rice stir fry with broccoli. That's it, folks. Thanks for tuning in to this recipe tutorial on how to make a teriyaki meatball stir fry with rice and broccoli. This meal is super easy to prepare and is perfect for busy weeknights. You can also make extra and pack it for lunch the next day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipe ideas. See you next time!